There's nothing quite as devastating as the rumor of a rodent problem in a restaurant. Hi, my name is James with the Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Keep watching for more tips on how to prevent one. We know you're cleaning your kitchen floors, but are you going the extra mile and getting on your hands and knees with a flashlight, checking for the smallest bits of food? Well, if you're trying to prevent or solve a rodent problem, you have to. It's imperative you remove every bit of food every night, because the smallest amount of food can sustain the rat population and keep this problem growing. You have rats in your restaurant. Your go-to guy is the local pest control company. He's a friend of yours even. But the thing is, they don't get rid of rodents. They have a process where they manage rodents, which means now you've probably got bait boxes outside of your restaurant, letting everyone know that you have a rodent problem. Pest control companies are not designed to solve your problem. They're designed to manage your problem. It's how they make money. You need to call a nuisance wildlife removal specialist. Your building needs to be animal-proofed, and those animals need to be trapped in snap traps where they can be carried out of your restaurant so you know where they're at. The prep area. It often goes unchecked because prep cooks come in earlier than everyone else. They get the food prepared for the line cooks and typically they're gone. Sometimes even during lunch service. So it's often difficult to pull them aside before they leave and go through their station to make sure it's clean. A checklist is a great idea for your management team or yourself. If you have a rat problem in your restaurant, you probably have holes that they've created throughout your baseboards and drywall. Whatever you do, leave those holes until all the rodents are gone, your place is sealed up, and the problem is solved. Then, if you want to go back and patch those holes for appearances, go ahead. But if you do that while the problem is still going on, they're going to chew more holes in your drywall and in your baseboards and create more issues for you. So use those holes, put traps in front of them, but don't close them up because they're going to chew their way back out. Have any questions or need help, call or text me at the number below. I'll get back to you quickly and I'll discreetly solve your problem.